Welcome all of you. So in this video we will talk about we already talk about so many things on smart clothes or smart clothing, and we talk about even the smart breathable clothes also, which having some miniature electric circuit in different forms. Somewhere some people have used the carbon nanotubes, in somewhere some there are different kind of electronic circuit. But right now we'll talk about these smart clothes which not only breathable, even it is washable, like, because that is one of the limitation for any kind of smart clothing which having the electronic circuits. But if we go for the washings, then it's may possible their electric circuit can break. So that is one thing. And apart from that, what is the major advantage with this smart clothing is that it can harness its energy from any kind of Wi-Fi signal or any kind of electric magnetic field surrounding you. Like for example, if there is any kind of cable wires going on, so that smart clothing can harvest energy from that also. So actually they design a smart clothes like smart gloves, and that smart gloves having some miniature electric circuit, and these smart gloves is sprayed with some kind of nano formulations or nanoparticles. They have not revealed that, but they sprayed that over those gloves, and these gloves and those nanoparticles are in hydrophobic in nature, and they are very good. They are performing a very good hydrophobicity because it is very repellent for the oil. Even it is repellent is somebody can ask, like, oil itself is a organic, and if it's a hydrophobicity, then how it's possible? Somehow say they develop such kind of hydrophobicity or hydrophobic nanoparticles spray, where it not only repel water, it also repel the oil also. So it is not completely, we can say, the maybe some different complex kind of hydrophobicity, I think, and even the mud or anything. So this is the one reason, and it is a very resistance to those kind of liquids, those kind of liquids. And apart from that, they can easily washable in washing machines also, and without break of any electric circuit. And another point which I'm talking about, those gloves is having some kind of LED indicators on their fingertips of those gloves. So whenever you goes around any kind of electrical wiring, electrical circuit, something, so whenever your hand is become closer to those wiring or anything, those LED start emitting light. So it is two-way beneficial. Definitely is harnessing energy, but apart from that, it senses, giving us senses, like it telling us, like, to just be aware of that there is electric circuit, any kind of shock can happen. So it can remind us, like, just be careful, you are close to that particular electrical circuit. So that is another thing, and this is one of the best things. And apart from that, if there is surrounding Wi-Fi, we already know, so each and every place is filled with the Wi-Fi, so it harness energy from the Wi-Fi signal. They harness energy from the Wi-Fi, making some electric current to provide the energy to their circuits. So that is the beauty of that gloves. But only major concern, like these, they haven't developed such things in their gloves. But while we're talking about the clothing, and then what kind of other clothing is possible, and at which extent is possible. But in the case of the smart wearable, that is one of the benchmark studies, and this is why, like, people are start thinking, like, we engage with so many smart devices. So that is why the people start thinking, why not we make these smart devices to self harness their energy on their own. Like, we don't need some external source of energy. That is one of the need, and I think it going to be the next step for the all kind of smart wearable devices, because each and every time you need to carry your specific charger or wiring for that particular smart devices, because each and every smart devices have different kind of electric source attachments, so that is one of the things. And apart from that, that gloves can measure your heart rate also, so that is heart rate monitoring is also possible with this. And now further, what we can do, whether it's SpO2 or whether any kind of muscular movement, as we already know that there is some another smart clothing which able to see the potential change when your muscles is moving, so it can track your muscles activities. So I don't know what is the future of this. So definitely these kind of things is possible, and so further optimizations and further design development is needed for wide range of health monitoring and wide range of applications. So that's it. And if you need further discussion and explanations on that, just DM me on this. We will meet with another video with another topic. So till then, bye, take care.